So I wanted to show really quick how to contour your lips. I use the smudge brush, and I think that if you use a lip pencil, which I've done in the past, you end up having to blend it so much more, and it becomes more complicated than it's worth, in my opinion. But if you just take the smudge brush and just tap it into your contour, and you're on the bottom and the top, you'll kind of go over the vermilion border, but on the sides, you'll go right on it. And I would say probably leaning towards more inside the lip. And what this does, and I'm doing a very light, I'm like, almost like I'm dry brushing it on. What this does is it gives your lips the most subtle shadow. I know it looks kind of like you feel like, oh gosh, it looks like I'm eating chocolate. But it gives your lips, you can see, like a 3D effect. And I'm going to post, I'll post a screen grab, who says that? Screenshot of myself, and I'll post it right here so you can see the difference of how just this gives your lips more of a pouty effect. And really, if you're doing it light and you're doing it with the smudge brush, it is so nuanced and it's not really leaving a harsh line. Okay, so I didn't do it before I made the video, but I did it now. So you can see it right here. You can see the difference. Just this like really like very diffused, just shading, not a harsh line. Like I think that that is what is like the number one mistake. And it's going to stay. And then you can go and you can do a liner after this and do a color, which I'll show you. But I just wanted to show how if you use this brush, you can use other brushes. The multitasker is really good too. But I feel like I love the diffused effect this gives you. Plus this brush is awesome. I use it for my nose contour. It's amazing. Basically, I did no liner. I just added Ballerina to the center, and then I did Nude, which is like this nice plum, and I did that just in the corners. And what that does is it like pinches down the corners and makes the center fuller. And then I took Petal, which is like a bubblegum pinky gloss, and I just tapped it right there in the bottom center. Just gives like this fullness, more of like a 3D effect. So hope you liked that little trick.